Marami akong mga kaibigan, they are very, very, successful. Pero at the end of the day, you sacrifice your health most of the time. Marami akong mga kilala na magaganda ang kanilang positions right now, pero meron silang hypertension. Some of them are physically healthy, but their relationship with their spouses are not. So, nung sinasabi ng Panginoon dito, saan ka ba nag-i-invest? If you are going to invest your treasure in heaven, that is where your heart is. So your heart belongs to me. And when your heart belongs to God, ang focus mo is your heavenward calling. You will not be focused on the things that the global economic engine wants you to believe in. Kaya nga mas maraming mga videos on how to get wealthy. Kasi ito ang global culture. Ang tingin ng mga tao, to be successful is equated to how much you have in your bank account, how much you have in terms of assets, or where you are in terms of your career.